Hi guys, you are welcome to Jibril Enterprise. In today's video, we are going to talk about bitter leaf, scientifically known as Vernonia amygdalina. It is a medicinal plant native to tropical Africa. This plant belongs to the Asteraceae family and is widely used for both culinary and medicinal purposes. The leaves have a distinct bitter taste and are often used in traditional soups, particularly in West African cuisine. Despite its intense bitterness, proper preparation can make it a delicious and nutritious addition to meals. Some traditional dishes of bitter leaves include ofe onugbu, a particular Igbo dish in Nigeria cooked with cocoyam and other ingredients. In other African countries, including Ghana and Cameroon, bitter leaves are used in preparing rich stews and soups made with groundnut, palm nut, and sometimes added to vegetable sauces and light soups or stews. Due to its bitterness, its food preparation methods is unique and require washing and squeezing. The leaves are washed multiple times to reduce bitterness before cooking. In some dishes, bitter leaves are boiled and rinsed to further remove bitterness before consumption. Bitter leaves are consumed and are widely used in traditional African medicine due to its numerous health benefits, which includes diabetes management, malaria treatment, liver health and detoxification, immune system booster, digestion improvement, anti-inflammatory, and many more. Geographically, bitter leaf is a hardy, fast-growing shrub that stands vigorous in tropical and subtropical climates. Its propagation methods include stem cuttings, which is most common, and seed propagation, which is less common. Please note, bitter leaves grown from seeds grow very fast after transplanting and has broad leaves. Whereas bitter leaf grown from cuttings has cluster branches with slow growth and medium leaves. In this video, we are going to emphasize on its seed propagation method. Bitter leaves produce seeds through sexual reproduction. The process of its seed production involves flowering, pollination, and seed production. Bitter leaves produces small pale purple or white flowers that grow in clusters. Flowering typically occurs when the plant reaches maturity, usually after 6 to 12 months of growth. Flowers arranged in terminal inflorescence, that is, at the tips of the branches. The mature seeds are small, lightweight, and have a tuft of fine hairs, which helps in wind dispersal. To propagate these seeds, you have to first harvest mature seeds as shown. Gently separate the seeds from the branches and then use your palm and squeeze them to separate the seeds from the fine hairs. Use winnowing method to separate the fine hairs from the seeds. To strain the residues to collect the seeds. Your seeds is now ready for planting. Plant these seeds. First, get your rich loamy soil or black soil filled in a nursery bag as shown. Carefully spread your bitter leaf seeds in the nursery bags as demonstrating, and then cover the seeds with light soil. Spray the content with water mist to moisten the soil. Please avoid large water drops that may expose seeds. Ensure ideal growing conditions at temperatures between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius with partial sunlight. They will start to germinate at 2 to 4 weeks after planting. The seedlings of bitter leaf grow very fast in different phases. Their seedlings are always light green in color when they are between 1 to 3 weeks, but gradually changes to dark green when growing. Seedlings can be transplanted when they reach 4 to 5 weeks after germination. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly follow us on this channel for our subsequent videos. Bye bye for now.